My name is Kelsey Hood Christensen. I am the president and CEO of Family Services of Southern Wisconsin. And while our main office is in Beloit, we serve all of Rock County with our direct services. Family Services really focuses on addressing trauma. So we focus on prevention and crisis intervention as well as ongoing support. Today what that looks like is we have a collection of 5 programs. We have our Youth to Youth for Change. We also have Defy Domestic Abuse, the Sexual Assault Recovery Program. We have our Neighborhood Resilience Project. And then our individual and family counseling provides a lot of ongoing support through mental health therapy for family members of all ages. So Family Services started in 1934, which makes 2024 our 90th year anniversary. So we know the families we work with are going to come with us with a real range and complexity of needs. So we've worked to build specialty services within our programming so we can meet those unique barriers and help these families succeed. We have a robust bilingual program throughout our advocacy services. We also have a heavy emphasis on, with our family advocate, working with parents, teens, and youth who have experienced or witnessed domestic violence, sexual assault, human trafficking, that pays special attention not only to each individual family member, but also the family as a unit. And with the housing challenges that a lot of our families experience, we also have an emergency shelter for survivors of domestic violence and a rapid rehousing program that allows us to provide rental and utility assistance in the community. The people that we typically serve or are good customers for our agency are those who have experienced trauma or hardship and are interested in finding healing or moving past that or have goals for them to overcome those experiences. We really strive to help empower and support the most vulnerable families within our county. And we build our services to make sure that they are accessible and can be reached, or we can go out to these communities. We're also very collaborative and work with a number of other organizations in the areas to make sure that we can have the most impact with the families we're serving. Rock County has always been our home. It's where Family Services got our support. And even throughout the years, as our services have expanded to other counties and our agency has changed and grown, Rock County has been the community who has always supported us in the work we're doing. And through that support, they have supported the families we serve. So it's that passion, it's that relationship, it's that history, which is why Rock County for us and will always be for us. The next steps, Family Resilience Center, is going to be one location where families can come to really, truly receive wraparound holistic services, which is truly driven by Family Services vision. All of these services have the through line and the emphasis on early childhood development and literacy, which has really been shown to be the key for success for future generations and to break that all too common cyclical nature of poverty.